The games environment is everything that you would expect it to be. So when we think about psychological challenges, the anxiety, the anticipation, the excitement of that event is something that we should all be feeling. And we know that athletes prepare to be able to manage those situations, and they are responding to that throughout the entire game's duration. There's this feeling that elite athletes are able to cope all the time with everything, and of course they train to be able to do that, but they're also humans, and we know that we want to be able to see the emotion that goes alongside competition. So part of that is not removing emotion from what they do, but being able to roll with it, to use it when we want it most, to harness it and to use it to drive our successes. The reality is we all have mental health at all times, and there's some amazing open conversation about that. Sport often sparks that conversation to be more open about what mental health is. We know that in demanding situations it can ask more of us, so it might be that someone's struggling just by observing little changes. It could be the big changes. We train our team and our mental health champions within the teams just to notice what our teammates are going through and to be able to respond appropriately so that they are supported when it matters most. Online environments and social media have been one of the fundamental changes that we've seen in elite sport over the last 10 years. And that comes with loads of fantastic opportunity. We've just been through kitting out, and I look at the athletes sharing their stories, being able to communicate directly with followers, really create an immersive experience. And that connection is such an important part of being a performer. I think the only thing that comes with that is that we just need to work a little bit harder in helping them manage that, to get the best out of those platforms, to use them when they need to, but also to be able to switch off and to be able to create space from them when they want to compete and don't necessarily need that additional noise. Safeguarding and psychological safety within our environments is a critical feature of elite sport now. It's part of the conversation, but it's also an integral feature of every element of planning. And that means that we know that we are creating and fostering and sustaining safer environments. Team England really prioritises environments, spaces and relationships that are psychologically safe and enable people to feel supported at every stage of the journey. And that's just the details, that's the details that matter to be able to create and sustain these environments for those coming in. For anyone going into the games time environment, for the athletes, whether it's your first games or you're coming back for your second or third, it's really important to enjoy it. Enjoy the moment, take it in, know that you've worked hard to be here and that we are all behind you.